Hello everyone. Alright, I have not made a video in a very long time. I'm not sure if I can remember how to do this, but I really wanted to share this little mini album I made. I just got a new stand for my phone, so forgive me if this doesn't work well. This was made mostly using the newer Tim Holtz Chapter 3 dies with another couple random dies. I'm going to try to keep this in focus. I can't really see my phone where it's at, but this is Shabby Soul Suzy Heinz technique for the tab binding. I'll try to, if I can figure out a link, I will link to her. She's one of Tim Holtz's designers. You can find her on the designer page. So this is how I found my book together. Try to keep it down here low. I used an eyelet circle thingy back here on a brad and then wrapped around. So this little tab, it wraps around, unhooks off the old hitch fasteners. This is a gift for a friend of mine for her birthday. I'm going to hope to get it sent out tomorrow, and hopefully it'll be a surprise for her. She's big into sewing and some paper crafting and different things, so that's what I wanted to do. So kind of show you it's sewing themed. I have stitched around some spots. I'm not really good at sewing, but that's what I was going for. So this has one of the Tim Holtz paper dolls. Got a little envelope here that opens, and then a journal card. Sorry, I'm trying to hold this down so I can keep everything in camera. Alright, I'll tie that back up later. This is one of the slide dies, just a random tiny luggage tag. And this is the Tim Holtz fabric washi tape as well. This is one of the new coin envelopes. In here I've actually got the letter for her. Got just some... I made this so that she could do pictures of the projects she makes and things, or other random pieces. But I've kind of got it with things in all the whole tabs because I didn't want to leave it plain. So I just have some little tiny hanging tags. Let's see if I can grab something. I'll just show you with these. So this is just filled with some random ephemera. And then I left some of these spots like this where it is a extra tuck spot for her. And so some of these spots I just tucked in some random bits, and I just thought leave that hanging. I don't know if I'm going to stamp on it before I send it out. Probably not. Leave it to her to stamp whatever she'd like on it. I just kind of attached it here with a little paper clip. And just some regular paper. Again, I wanted her to be able to put her own photos in here. So right now that's just kind of paper clipped in there. You can see there's nothing behind it. Another little tuck spot. And then some hidden little ephemera behind. This is another belly band with a journal card. It is two-sided. Some of these are the really old retired Tim Holtz vellum. So getting rid of some hoarded pieces. This also has an extra pocket here. I just didn't put anything in it. I'm sorry if you hear my dishwasher running. I've got just a little ticket. Here is one of the bigger slides. I can't remember who makes this right off the top of my head. It's not Tim Holtz, but it's another big name. I'll try to remember to put it down in the comments or right below. I just can't remember. So I did put one of the new Tim Holtz photos in there that pulls out. Some stamping. Another tuck spot. Friend of mine, either Gina or Marita, I don't remember which one sent me these. I've been wanting to try to do this for a year or two. I've been supposed to be making a mini album for her, so this is one of the vellums, so you can stick stuff underneath of it, so she can tuck more photos back behind here. Here's one with a hidden spot for tags, and then she can put some journaling or a photo or whatever she'd like in there. Same thing, another belly band spot, just some cards and a little vellum piece just because I liked it, and she likes birds. Try to put that back in camera. Oh, and I've left some of these kind of plain, so hopefully she can add to it. Just a tag, same thing, my friend Gina and Marita, one of the two of them, I know they both sent me a bunch of really pretty stuff. They sent me these to add to this, as well as this and this. So yeah, all of this, which was super nice. I added an eyelet here to hang more charms from. I thought I had some sewing charms, but I couldn't find any that I thought I had, so I didn't end up adding there, so she could add to that. This is another one of the coin pockets, just a piece of ephemera. And then this is the back side of the coin pocket. This is a piece I have hoarded forever. Zoe Hillman, actually one of Tim Holtz's designers now, made this a really long time ago. We were on SwapBot, and this was the piece she sent me. And I just loved it, but it matched this book so perfectly that I had to share it. So it has now been from my hoarded stash and in to be shared. So here's another one of those tags that was sent to me. There's an extra piece of ephemera I added. There's this little tiny, oh, I don't know what this is, but it's see-through. And I just have a little tiny tag in here. Just because I thought it was cute. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I don't know. On here I added a little swivel piece. And then I did use the new texture hammer on these. I left this envelope, I chopped off the glue points, and then I left it opened up so she can put photos in here. I was going to put another photo piece here, but I didn't have one that matched, so I figured kind of gets the idea and she can put one there. And this does lift out. So yeah, that's my tiny little book. Nice and plain. It's kind of chunky. I didn't originally plan on it being this chunky. I really love all of the threads and bits that tuck out, so I kind of really like how it turned out. So yeah, if you guys want to see some more of these, I have one more that's finished that I actually made for myself that I want to share, and then a couple other little books. I'm going to try to share more of my projects again. I haven't done it in a long time. I know before I mostly used to just share design team stuff, so it's a little different, but I hope you guys like it, and feel free to comment anything you might like to see, some other themes, and let me know your thoughts. And hopefully my friend will love this. Thanks, guys.